right. So today we're going to talk about when we're reading, we need to notice what the characters think, say, and do to really understand what they're feeling. And so we're going to look at a book that we've read already, Better Than You. Remember, that was the book about Tyler and Jake and the basketball, and the guy wasn't very nice to him. So in the text, it says, like he is not good enough. So that's how the character is feeling. He's feeling like he's not good enough. And we know he's feeling that way because his thoughts, like in the story, it said Tyler thinks of all the places he would rather be than with Jake. And so that lets me know he's not feeling very good about himself. The words when Tyler tells Jake, I'm going to stay here with Nico. Those words let me know that he is feeling confident. He is feeling proud of himself, and that he isn't upset or he isn't feeling good enough anymore. And so as we are reading through these books and you're reading your books that you're on your own, I want you thinking about like the way the characters' thoughts and actions and words and how they are feeling based on those thoughts and those words and those actions. Because we need to make sure that we're in the book with our characters. And so if we can understand how they're feeling, then it helps us get into the book a little bit better.